Come test drive the 2018 Honda HR-V. The HR-V has a good-looking exterior with a clean design. It comes with a well-tuned suspension and a handsome and flexible interior with tons of options to choose from, and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 2,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, brake assist, fog lights, power moonroof, four-wheel disc brakes, front wheel independent suspension, rear window defroster, rear window wiper, low tire pressure warning. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.